you guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am Shelly, and if you've already been here, as always, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel and welcome back. So in today's video, as you can tell from the title, I am finally doing the highly requested fluffy baby hair tutorial. All of you guys, so many of you guys actually have asked me for this video. When I tell you this is probably gonna be my shortest video to date, I'm not really too sure, but I believe it is. Yeah, this is gonna be a pretty short video. So I already did my makeup and I'm like, all right, before I leave, let me go ahead, hop on camera and show you guys how I do this baby hair that you guys have been loving. And for some reason, it's like really on trend. And you know what? It's super crazy because I used to do this back in the day with my baby hairs and now it's come back around. So here we are, we're doing it again. And just so that this video wouldn't be super short, because honestly, it takes me like a minute to do this, I went ahead and I'm like, all right, I'm just gonna do my little Princess Jasmine ponytail that I posted the other day and you guys really liked that look. So yeah, we're gonna do that. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave me some comments down in the comment section below as you're watching. Let me know your thoughts throughout the video and make sure that you turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. First, what I'm gonna do is I just have this, I don't know if it's Kanekalon stretched, pre-stretched hair, this pre-stretched braiding hair. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take just a regular ponytail holder, and I have a video on my channel showing you guys how I just do like my normal baby hairs, and in that video I did the ponytail process. So I will link that video somewhere on the screen so that you guys can check that out after you're done watching this one. So I just take the ponytail holder, so I'm gonna pull it through like this, and I don't know, this braiding hair is probably stale, but it's fine. But I'm just gonna take my ponytail and I'm just going to pull my hair through. So then once I do that, I'm gonna take a little piece from the back because I'm gonna use that to wrap it around the scrunchie and give that like wrap around ponytail look. So I'm gonna take like that much and I'm just gonna leave that part out because I'm going to use that to wrap around the ponytail. So now what I'm gonna do is, this is literally so easy, but I just take and start like here. So I take like that much hair and then I just take a rubber band, like a small rubber band, and I wrap it around that part of the ponytail like twice. And my hair is blow dried out, so that's another thing. And it's gonna look like that. Then you just do that for the rest of the ponytail until you get to the end. And you want to make sure that your hair is kind of like blending with the braiding hair, otherwise it'll be pretty obvious. So my hair is like blow dried out, it sort of blends with the braiding hair. See? So it's starting to look like that. Don't mind the baby hairs, we're gonna do that in a second, but then my hair is kind of sticking out right there. I don't really mind it too much because it just gives more of like an effortless look. So you just take the ponytail or the rubber band and you just wrap it around like twice. And you do that all the way until you get to the end. So I'm just gonna do probably one more after this. So it's like that. So I'm gonna do like one more here. Okay. And so we have the ponytail. Now what I'm gonna do is just take this hair here, or the hair that I left out, and I'm just going to wrap it around the ponytail. And just continue to wrap until you get to the very end. So it looks like that. Now, for the part that you've all been waiting for, the baby hair. Okay, so here's what I do. So I just take the baby hairs that I want to have out, which are just like these little pieces around the perimeter. And then I'm gonna take my little small flat iron like this. I've had it for years, you guys. You can find these like everywhere now. But so I just take and I just curl my baby hairs like so. And then I just take my toothbrush. I just take my toothbrush and then I just form them or brush them how I want them to lay. So I kind of see like how I want them to look, and I think that's fine. So then I just go here and then do the same thing. And then I just take and like twist it how I want it and just keep playing with it. I don't even know. And then I go on this side and do the same thing. I'm just gonna take and flat iron it like that. And then take the brush or the toothbrush. And I just take the toothbrush and I lay them how I want them to look. I just sort of like play with them a little bit. Over time, they start to like drop anyway. So, and I do the same thing with my side pieces. I do the same thing, just curl them. And you can like leave it, or you can, I like to twist mine and just play with them. See? Do the same thing. So once you've curled them, then I just take the brush or the toothbrush and I just play with them. Like, the key to making them look so fluffy is to not use any product. So I don't use like any edge control on my edges. Even when I'm laying my ponytail, I don't put any edge control or anything. I just let them do what they're gonna do. And as you guys can see, I just play with them. I just keep like moving them around, fluffing them, laying them down. Just keep in mind, heat is never good on your hair every day or all the time, so just tread lightly when you do it. Make sure you tie your edges up if you do it so that you can prolong the hairstyle, or that's what I do. I just tie my edges up. I lay them how I want to lay them. I tie them up with a silk scarf, and in the morning they're a little flattened out, but it's okay. It still has the same look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me in today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know this video is super short, but if you made it all the way to the end, thank you guys so much for supporting, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!